The AI companion app market will be worth $9.5 billion by 2028. But here's what's interesting. 1 in 3 Gen Z users has tried an AI romantic companion. Why is this market exploding right now? And more importantly, how do you build an app that people actually use? We're going to explore that. Now, if you are someone who is thinking about building an AI companion app in 2026, then you've come to the right video. In this video, we'll show you a complete AI companion platform. You will get to know what users experience, what you control behind the scenes, and how the AI actually learns and responds, and what it costs to build. Let's start. Before we show you the platform, let's talk about why 2026 is the perfect time to build this. 3 things are happening right now that make this moment unique. A generational shift. 33% of Gen Z have already tried an AI romantic companion. This isn't a niche experiment anymore. Digital relationships are becoming normal. The loneliness epidemic is real, and younger generations aren't waiting for traditional dating to fix it. The market is still wide open. Right now, AI companions are being built for different purposes. Some focus on mental health support, others on language learning or fitness coaching or elder care. Each one is a separate business opportunity. But the biggest market is romantic and dating companions. That's where user demand is highest, engagement lasts longest, and people are willing to pay the most. You can build a standalone AI companion app specifically for romantic relationships, or you can build one for any of these other niches. The technology is the same, the business model is proven, and the timing is perfect. Undeniable market validation. The AI companion market was worth $6.93 billion in 2024. By 2032, it'll hit $31 billion. That's a 20.7% growth rate year after year. Users want it. The infrastructure is ready. In 2026, AI companions are becoming a part of everyday life. People turn to them for support, connection, and meaningful conversations. Let's see how it works. Age and consent. To keep everything safe and responsible, the app begins with a quick age check and a simple consent step. Once that's done, you're ready to get started. Sign up and log in. Creating an account is fast. Sign up using your email or Google, verify your identity once, and log in instantly. It takes less than a minute. Basic profile setup. To personalize your companion, the app asks for a few basic details, like your name and what kind of relationship you're looking for. Romantic, emotional support, or simple friendship. Choose what feels right. Choose your companion. Now pick a companion that matches your vibe. Warm and gentle, playful and energetic, or calm and logical. Each one comes with a unique personality designed to connect with you. Main chat experience. This is where your journey truly begins. Your companion chats naturally, understands your emotions, and responds with empathy. You'll see typing indicators, suggested prompts, and messages that feel surprisingly human. Your preferences. Your companion also learns simple preferences like your name, tone choices, and what matters to you. You can view or adjust these preferences anytime, right from the chat screen. Safety and boundaries. You're always in control. Set boundaries, choose the tone of conversations, or switch to a supportive-only mode. And if needed, you can block or report with just a tap. Subscription and premium access. For deeper, unlimited conversations, upgrade to premium. You unlock full message access, richer responses, and early access to new features. Your AI companion is ready to be part of your everyday life to talk, support, and truly listen. Start your journey today. The next generation of digital companionship belongs to platforms that combine emotional intelligence with privacy and personalization. And the window to enter this market is now. At Brew Labs, we've helped over 100 founders build AI-powered products. For companion platforms, we bring that expertise. We will design, develop, and deploy a working AI companion product within 45 days. Click the link in the description, fill out a short form, and schedule a free consultation call with us. Our team will reach out within 24 to 48 hours to discuss your specific needs. Let's design your AI companion platform, one that feels real, learns from every conversation, and builds relationships users actually care about. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more insights on building real-world AI products.